We will be going over the top 5 traveling tips I have learned over my personal and business voyages over the years, and how they can help you get more enjoyment and efficiency out of your trips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I often consider myself a travel enthusiast who loves exploring new places. This month alone, I'll be traveling over 5,000 miles and to 3 different countries. Today, I will share my top 5 traveling tips that have significantly improved my travel experiences. So, let's dive right in. Regarding traveling, several tips can make your journey more enjoyable and comfortable. One of the most important travel tips is to plan. Proper planning helps you to avoid many traveling challenges that may arise during your trip. Therefore, conducting thorough research about your destination is paramount before embarking on your journey. This includes familiarizing yourself with the local customs, weather patterns, and transportation options. Knowing the local customs of your travel destination helps you understand the culture better and ensures that you don't offend the locals. It's crucial to check the weather patterns to pack appropriate clothing and gear. In addition, researching the transportation options will help you to plan how to move around your destination and avoid getting lost. Creating a rough itinerary of your travel plans is another essential travel tip. This involves scheduling the activities and attractions you'd like to visit and the time you'll spend on each. Having a plan helps you stay organized, avoid missing out on must-see attractions, and make the most of your trip. However, it's also important to leave some room for spontaneous adventures. While having a plan is essential, being too rigid can limit your travel experience. Be open to try new things and always exploring new places. Balancing your itinerary flexibly gives you a unique and unforgettable travel experience. When it comes to traveling, packing smart is crucial. One of the most essential packing tips is to make the most of your luggage space. For this, it is recommended that you pack light and only bring the necessary items. Heavy bags can be a burden while traveling, so avoiding overpacking is best. A helpful trick is to roll your clothes instead of folding them to maximize space. This not only saves space, but also prevents wrinkles. Additionally, you can try using packing cubes to keep everything organized. They're available in various sizes and are designed to fit perfectly in your luggage. Another essential item to include in your luggage is a small emergency first aid kit. You never know when you might need it, and it's always better to be prepared. Better safe than sorry. In this kit, you can include basic medical supplies such as band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may require. With these tips, you can pack efficiently and enjoy a stress-free journey. When traveling, it's of utmost importance to prioritize your safety above everything else. One crucial tip to ensure your safety is always to keep your personal belongings secure. You can achieve this by using a lock or a safe bag to store your valuable items, such as money, passports, and other essential documents. Make sure to keep your valuables with you at all times and avoid leaving them unattended, even for a short while. Besides securing your personal belongings, staying aware of your surroundings is essential, especially in unfamiliar areas. Always have a plan for where you're going and how you're getting there. Avoid isolated places and stay in well-lit areas, especially at night. If unsure about a specific location, research beforehand and ask the locals for some advice. Lastly, it's recommended to have both digital and physical copies of important documents, such as your passport and ID. Or if you're on business, whatever business documents you need that are essential. This will help you replace them more quickly and easily in case they get lost or stolen. Keep the digital copies on your phone or in the cloud, and keep physical documents in a safe place to access. By following these safety tips, you can ensure a much safer and more enjoyable travel experience. If you travel frequently, you may have experienced the inconveniences of juggling multiple services like booking travel, lodging, rental cars, and other accommodations. However, one helpful tip that you can use to make your experience more seamless is to combine all the relevant services for your trip. This approach allows you to integrate all aspects of your trip planning, making it more streamlined and hassle-free experience. Although learning and implementing may take some time, I know it did for me. The benefits of combining travel services are worth the effort. For instance, you'll save time and effort by having everything in one place. You won't have to go back and forth between different websites or apps to make reservations, which can be time-consuming and tiresome. Expedia is a great example of a platform that does an excellent job of integrating services. By connecting your frequent flyer miles account, preferred hotel rewards account, and preferred car rental platform, you can enjoy a more convenient and time-saving experience. Moreover, when you integrate all of your services on a single platform, you can maximize your rewards and points, leading to significant savings in the long run. If you're a frequent traveler wanting to streamline your trip planning, you should consider combining your services. This approach helps you enjoy the benefits of a well-integrated travel experience while saving you time, effort, and money. When traveling to a new place, it is crucial to remember the local culture and customs. As a visitor, you must understand that you are essentially a guest in someone else's home, and being respectful and mindful of this fact is essential. One way to achieve this is by familiarizing yourself with the local practices, traditions, and social norms before you go. For example, if you're traveling to a conservative country, it is essential to dress modestly and avoid public displays of affection, as these may be considered offensive or disrespectful. Similarly, if you visit a religious site, you might dress appropriately and behave respectfully to avoid causing any offense. Awareness of any gestures or behaviors deemed impolite or inappropriate in the local culture is also essential. For instance, it is considered disrespectful in some places to point with your feet. In others, it is customary to take off your shoes before entering a home. Learning about these customs and traditions can help you avoid offending the locals and deepen your understanding and appreciation for the place you are visiting. Additionally, it is critical to keep an open mind and be willing to embrace the differences you encounter. Try to engage with the locals and learn about their customs, beliefs, and way of life. By doing so, you show respect for their culture, gain a unique perspective, and enrich your travel experience. Altogether, respecting the local culture and customs is essential to responsible travel. By learning about and observing these practices, you can avoid offending and deepen your understanding and appreciation for the place you visit. Thanks for watching my video on my top 5 travel tips. I hope that you were able to find some valuable insights that will help you make the most of your next adventure. Remember that traveling is to see new sights and learn and grow as a person. So keep an open mind and be willing to step outside your comfort zone. In addition to the tips I've shared, many other things can enhance your travel experience. For instance, research the local customs and traditions of the places you visit. This can help you to connect with local people and gain a deeper understanding of their culture. Furthermore, don't forget to pack smart. Consider the climate, terrain, and activities you will engage in, and pack appropriately. Also, bring any necessary documents and medications to ensure a smooth and stress-free trip. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I wish you all safe travels and hope your next trip is unforgettable. See you in the next one.